All right, we are back at my favorite junkyard, which you guys are going to find out all about really soon. And we found a grill for Tina's wagon. I've got Tina with me again today. So we're going to get this grill. The light that she needs, of course, is broken. But this may not be the only one. I don't even remember this car, to be quite honest with you. But this is my go-to place. So, yeah, there's probably door lock actuators in there. So we'll get this grill out and
sticker window for this baby.
Oh, cool.
Right here.
I showed him your window sticker.
I think that's what this is.
It is. Dang, most of the options are ripped off on this
It
side.
might be in here. That's pretty cool.
Probably power driver seat. Yep. Yeah, this car probably has quite a bit of things. It's even the same color as yours on the inside.
It has that actuator in here.
What's the date on that door sticker? Can you see it?
11 of 87.
So it is an 88. It's the same year. And look, it's got a good door striker bolt right there too.
Sweet.
So, yeah, you can't see much on there. Everything was included. Looks like cornering lamps for $68. I don't remember what they were on your wagon, but well, we will at least get this grill out, and then we'll go around and see what else we can find, and we'll show you guys some more stuff here. Well, it's starting to spit rain, guys, and we got the grill off that car. Now we're just trying to find another Crown Victoria like that. Here's a Torino Elite. And it is stripped down, let me tell you. Nothing left. Hey, there's a Ford wagon, but it looks pretty rough. I wonder if it's got the correct front end. I don't know what year it is. Who knows? Hey, it's got seats in it.
No way.
Yeah, we had to take all that stuff out, but the bottoms are there. They're not blue, but if they may be okay. That thing ain't gonna open.
No.
What year is this? It's older. It's early 80s, pretty sure. Oh dang, 8 of 79, so it's an 80. But if I imagine the seats are the same if they're not completely trashed.
Just throw it up here.
Yeah. I'll help her get this stuff out of here. Well, guys, those seats are completely trashed. Been here too long. What a shame. But we're not going to give up.
Nope.
I see a 70-something Cougar over here. It's not what we're looking for, but there's a Continental that got rear-ended before it left the factory. '77 or '78 Cougar, honeycomb wheels, XR7. Ow, briars in the pants. Power windows, power locks. The column is gone. Cougar with a sunroof. Here's a Crown Vic that's too old. The Grand Marquis over there, boy, there's a lot of Grand Marquis, just not a lot of Crown Victorias. I was just telling them there's a lot of Grand Marquis, just not a lot of Crown Victorias.
Right.
See, here's the Crown Vic, but it's too old.
Yeah.
It's more squared front end. I bet that's the station wagon he was
I'm sure
talking
it is.
about.
And I'd like to take one of them out and look at the bottom of it. Because I know my mom can clean that up.
The town car, they're all rotted and rusted inside.
Oh, I
Yeah.
gotcha.
Now here, let me show you. There's just nothing left of them. Oh, you already got this one out.
We don't need the top.
Well, that's true. You don't need the top,
No,
but
we just need the bottoms.
how are you going to get them out?
I don't know. That.
They're bolted down, and you got this all great big pile of
Yeah, I don't know.
coon shit or something, and we can't open the tailgate.
Oh.
And this one's all crooked, like it's.
Well, I was pulling on it.
No,
too.
you definitely want to find something better than that.
Okay. All right.
Definitely not worth it.
Okay.
Because this window's been open the whole time,
Yeah,
and
that's true.
it's just been. My God, just look at the rain we've had this summer.
Well,
So,
eh,
not a good idea.
it's all right. Gives
See,
you hope.
here's another Grand Marquis.
They're out there.
Okay, keep looking. Well, we found two more Crown Vics, guys, and everything's gone. This one's wrecked on that side, but the same light's broken. And somebody's already, wait. Oh no, this is this side, and the light's gone. And this light. What's going on with these lights?
High demand. Okay, this one has the illuminated, both of them have the illuminated entry.
Do they?
Yeah.
Wonder which one would be the best to get that module out of. Most of them's
This
tucked
one
up
has
there
a
under.
tree growing up by-
Oh, I've brought my chainsaw before. That illuminated entry module's there, but I can't really see up in there. We'll probably cross that bridge at a different date. I just want to focus on that. Got to find a light.
Right.
There's a bull-nosed Ford truck. Looks like everybody's pretty much robbed everything off of it. Not much left. Now you see this Cordoba over here? Do you remember that one Bill Hazelhorse had?
Yes.
We got the tilt steering column out of this car for it and put it in there. Everything in that tilt column was General Motors. Yeah, this one had leather. His had cloth. I think we even took those power window and door lock switches. Yep. Chrysler's answer to the Lincoln Bill Blass. Okay, keep looking. Huh?
What is that? Rusty.
This?
Yeah.
That's an Oldsmobile Tornado.
Yeah.
Probably front wheel drive. There's another one over there. There's a town car with the somebody cut the sunroof out of that one. That is a 85 67. There's a Chevette. Got a Cadillac here that's plumb full of leaves. Sedan DeVille. And it ain't gonna open, but it's triple white. Looks like it was triple white with blue appointments. Chevy truck. We've got a school bus. Looks like a GMC. There's that Cadillac hood. That could be a Crown Victoria with the whole front end missing. It's either that or a Grand Marquis. Still can't tell, the front and back both gone. There's the emblem, it's a Grand Marquis. It had red interior. Tina needs a good dash too, and they're all cracked. They've been sitting here for so long. I tell you though, anything you need off your doors, it's here. Yeah. Switches and even that wood grain, it's all the same. Seat switches. I got excited when I saw the two backs of those Crown Victorias and the front's gone off both of them. There's another Grand Marquis. A Lincoln Versailles. I was always disgusted by those. Always looked like that trim was something they ordered out of a J.C. Whitney catalog and stuck on there, and that's the way they came. It's basically a Ford Granada with a Lincoln front end and a trunk with a hump in it. Me and Joey used to call them Grinkins. Yeah. We're not giving up yet.
No.
I see another Crown Victoria sitting right there. Let's go down there and see if it's got any good front end pieces on it. Oh, here we go down the hill. We left the truck all the way back up there with the tools in it. Sorry it's so windy out here. There's a little Falcon two-door. Cross your fingers that the front end is good on this Crown Victoria.
Yeah, nobody's quite.
Yeah, nothing broken. Oh crap, the fender's gone.
Not looking good.
No.
Hey,
It's there. The light's good.
awesome. Can you believe it?
Hey, there's another one, a blue one.
All those inside there.
Yeah, the whole front
And
end's
the one
gone.
sitting right out in the open.
And we left the truck all the way up there with the tools out. Like, let's just walk around and see what we can find rather than toting the tools. But it's got a little cracking in it, but it's not got a hole in it. Let's look at this one. Ow. Hey, this one's good too. This one's better. The whole front end's good on this one.
Nice.
Actually, the grill's cracked, but you already got a grill.
Right.
And this is cracked, but really all you need is this
Yeah.
inside it. When we
Yeah.
get it off, it'll be a separate piece. So
Yeah.
we'll just take them both off and compare and see which one's best.
Sounds good.
So we gotta mosey back on up the hill and get some tools. On our way back up to get the truck, I was just gonna tell you guys that, believe it or not, this Satellite was a factory 4-speed, and it's still got the pedals in it. I don't know if you can see it. Something like a 73 Plymouth Satellite 4-speed still has the pedals in it. I had to get the fuse box out of this car one time for a customer. That's how I remember, because you see you got these trees growing into the doors, and you've got that tree coming up out of the car outside the door, so I had to crawl in here to get that fuse box out. It wasn't fun. Okay, yeah, we really just need this, but you got a Phillips screw up here and one up here. They go upward. You gotta go
Oh, I got you. At an angle.
probably even more so up. Yeah, like that. Now you're in it. And you have to take that off before you can get the grill off.
Oh.
Which we don't have it. We don't need a grill now unless you just want to grab it for a spare part.
Well, we know where it's at, but you
The
might
way
come back-
deer are at home.
You might, huh? Yeah, that's true. Probably wouldn't hurt. Right now, they oiled that road. Heck, a rock could.
I know. Yeah.
So,
This light's broken out. But it was good on that other one over there. This one was.
And then-
Got one here.
ooh, yeah, that got me.
People's going to be like, why aren't you using power tools?
Because we're old timey.
Yeah. Now you may have to twist some sockets out of there. Just twist those this way. Yep.
Just like that.
Yep. So let's go get the one off the other one. Same thing. Yeah, see, this one's broke on the corner, so we're not going to want this bezel. I tell you, hard as this stuff's been to find, it may not hurt to have that extra grill out of the other one. That one's cracked.
We'll get that other one. I was thinking that.
And even maybe that other side of this thing. I don't think Bobby's charged too much for them. Yep, this one here. Everybody's like, look at Tony making the girl work.
I know, I'm enjoying it. That's what I came for. It's just part of my...
It's relaxing.
Yeah, and it's fixing Mom and I's vehicle.
Yeah.
I'm glad it's not summertime. That would have been loaded.
Yeah.
You want me to get this one?
It's up to you. You're the one that's... I got car parts everywhere because I mean, just like that illuminated entry module, wasn't you glad I had it?
Yeah, and I think, like you said...
You know, if you hit a deer,
yeah,
the deer's so thick at home.
Yeah, we're going to do it.
Yeah.
And we'll go back up and get that other grill.
Yeah.
Like you said, it ain't going to cost that much.
Yeah, this one has a crack right here. But the other one looked good. So that'll give you 2 grills and some extra marker lamp bezels.
Yep. Just looking for those seats. Dry out.
Here's a town car over here. Executive Series. This thing's not in too bad a shape on the inside, that's for sure. Oh yeah, that other side's already gone, so the grill's easy to get out.
Oh, I might get some muscle.
Rusty, ain't they?
Yeah, I can't break that one loose.
Let me get the drill. Let's see if this will give it
Oh,
some
hang on. I forget which one.
We are filming. I already hit it.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Broke it right off.
Yeah, it was in there tight. Bottom one over here still in. Now you might be asking why Tony's using the electric. No, I'm just joking with you. Oh, wow.
What just happened? That broke the freaking tip off my bit.
They're in there good.
Man. It may not be any... I think it's toast now. Where's the screwdriver?
Right here.
If it broke that, I don't know if I can get it.
Whoa, look at you.
I can't believe that broke the bit. Dang. Oh well, those bits are a dime a dozen. There's probably more in the tool bag.
That's what I was saying. You probably got some laying around. Sweet.
Now, if you hit a deer, you've got spares.
Yep. Let's hope that don't happen. But if it does.
We decided we should get that illuminated entry module out of one of these to replace the one that I had to use in for Wagon. I'm going to show you guys. I'm just trying to get in here. And this thing has some good floor mats, but somebody stuck some wood in there and propped the window up. Evidently it needed torque pins, and they didn't, well, actually the window regulator is not even in its holder, but somebody did not know how to fix that, so they just stuck it up with some wood. Fun. That illuminated entry module was gone, so I've got a feeling maybe that when they changed that part number on those keyless entry modules, they weren't as good as the early ones, because I personally have never had one go bad, and the one was bad in her Wagon. So and that one's gone. That's all right. There's plenty of cars around here with older illuminated entry modules in them. All right, we're going to drive up the hill this time instead of walk. There's a Thunderbird over here that I wanted to show you guys if I can get to it. It's not going to be easy. I can't remember if it's a 78.
Is it that T-top?
Yeah, it's a 77 or 8.
Hey, I'm getting better.
With T-tops. Yeah. Can we get through here? I've been to it before. Boy, there's a lot of briars to get around. Ain't going that way. Let's see.
A lot of stickers.
These weren't as bad when the cows were.
Go ahead, Tony.
When they had all those cows running around in here, they kept coming some of this stuff out of here. Ow. Yeah, here we go. It's a shame this thing just got parked here. Look at that. T-tops are long gone. Console car, tilt, cruise. It had power windows and locks. This is quite a car in its day. Gauge package. And here it sits. I love the 77, 8, 9 Thunderbirds, and it's toast. Yeah, see this? How it's got T-tops and tilt and cruise and the gauge package and power windows and locks. It had a power seat.
This was nice. This top of the line. And
It was. It had every option on it. And here it sat just to... Nobody had a clue that it was all going to be gone one of these days. Never thought about it. Hey, there's another. I can't tell. There's a white... Oh, I see the emblem. It's a Grand Marquis sitting over there with the windshield out of it.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get over there. See if we can find an illuminated entry module. I'm going to show you guys this truck. Not that many of you care, but I was here once, and this is the only truck, the bullnose truck that I ever saw that was wired for power mirrors, and I took all the wiring out of it. Believe it or not, they did offer power mirrors for a very short time, and I got the harness out of here, and I honestly don't even know what I did with it. I don't have it now, but believe it or not, they did offer power mirrors in these trucks. I wonder if these bezels are any good. No, they're broke. I see another town car over here at 89. It's a base model with the stick-on chrome added down along the bottom. So see, people were doing it, I'm telling you. But I'm going to put the real stuff on there. But it does have the body side molding. That's 3 that I've seen in here with that. So I'll be coming back and getting this body side molding. This is real base. Gray interior. Can't see in there. Door won't open. We saw a deer running down through there a while ago. Actually, he stood there and stared at us for a while. There's the old LeBaron convertible. Parked here with the top down, or somebody put it down. This might be a Mark Cross edition with the brown seats like that. I would think there would be something. I thought there was something insane marked cross on the armrest, but it's gone. So I don't know if it was a marked cross edition or not. Tina's over there, but I got a feeling she's going to want this bottle, so I might as well take it to her. She collects all kinds of stuff like that. She just picked up a little tiny oh wow, it's got, geez, I hope that's not somebody's ashes. She picked up a little bitty turtle shell a while ago to take home to her son. I still got some cool stuff to show you guys here. Maybe 1, 2, 3 more videos and the big reveal. You're going to want to come. Check out this old Ford, maybe somewhere around a 61 dump truck. Look at those trees growing up through there. That hood's been off a long time. Still some good stuff in there. It really is. Now this, look at that, it's got a 3800 in it, some sort of Buick, Regal or something. And this one doesn't look like it's been there that long. And look how that tree has come up between the firewall and that engine and headed out that way. I believe it's a locust tree. If that ain't something. Them trees, and look at this one, how it grew out from underneath the car and turned and went up. So much cool stuff here. I gotta show them this truck. There's no square body Chevy truck, but I want to over here show you guys this one. I'm guessing somewhere around a 72 GMC. Thought back there it looked like that grill might be savable, but I don't think so. I imagine you can get that from LMC Truck. Been cannibalized pretty good. It's got some decent chrome on it left. Do you want that?
Yeah, Mama loved it. I wonder what that was.
I don't know. I thought maybe a syrup bottle, but it's not Mrs. Butterworth.
Yeah, my mama definitely like that.
She'll stick some flowers or something in there, won't she?
Oh yeah, she's got a whole wall on her porch that is just colored glass.
Oh really?
So in the summertime, it's really cool.
I don't even remember what I grabbed that out of. Maybe a LeBaron.
Yeah. See, I got a treat for everybody today.
Yep.
One-stop shop.
We've been down this aisle, but I didn't look at this Cougar. The green one. Did look at one over there. Here's a Cougar. I always like those consoles, how they put the window switches and mirror switches and seat switches all in that console, but this one's been outside way too long.
I got a Cougar one time. So I put it in the ditch in the winter. Then I got me a front wheel drive. But I liked it.
That one's all there, except it doesn't have passenger power seat. I don't remember you having a Cougar. Was that before you moved down here?
No.
Oh no, you had that white one.
Yeah.
That was the first car I ever got in that I had to step on the brake to get it out of gear.
Oh. Yes.
I think it was an 89.
Maybe.
Somebody ripped this thing apart. And the door went open. Oh well, let's go look at, see if we can find that car that looks almost like Christine. Check out the little turtle shell she got to take home for her son.
He's gonna love it.
It's in pretty good shape.
It's very good shape.
You have to tell him it's fragile.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can rinse that real good and cover it in
Oh, yeah.
some shellac or something.
Oh, I'm sure.
Is that what it's called? Shellac?
Yeah, I think so.
That clear stuff, maybe cover it up. He's going to freak out on that.
He is. He loves it. Reptiles.
I think this is a little Cadillac maybe or some sort, but look how that tree has grown around that mirror. That's just crazy how they do that. Cadillac or Buick Riviera, one of those little 80s flop cars. See if I can see the other side, or the other end. Seville. Cadillac Seville. What an embarrassment. GM's, some of GM's horrible days. She keeps thinking I fall down. Okay, we've been down this road today, so I guess we'll try to cut off down through here. I see a Dodge Charger back over there they may be interested in seeing. Can I get to it? Another T-Bird. Impala or Caprice. Here we go, a red or orange, something around a 73 Charger.
With the shell.
Still got the engine block in there. Check out the carpet.
Oh my.
Shagging it. It was even on the dash at one time. This car's been here since the 70s. There's a Torino that was kind of shaped the same way as those. It's stripped down. Oh, I about got my eye out. Hey, look, there's another Crown Vic. The light's gone that you were looking for.
And the other one's broken.
Yep. That's a real plain Jane. I may have just learned something that I didn't know. This body side molding looks like the exact same stuff that they put on the Lincolns. This one's curling up on the end though. I think that's the same body side molding as they put on the Lincoln. It's a stripped down one, plain Jane, I'm pretty sure. Probably no power windows and locks.
Nope.
Look at that. It's got cruise. No tilt. Wow. By then you didn't see very many stripped down ones. There's an old Fairlane 500. Two-door. Some about a 62 or 3. There's an El Camino with those god-awful Landau bars on it. Somebody, I don't know if that was a factory thing or somebody would have stuck those on there. Somebody tell me this, please. Please tell me this wasn't factory GM. Tell me somebody stuck those on there. Had a vinyl roof at one time. El Camino. I don't ever remember seeing one of these that still had to crank out vent windows. This one does. There we got a Nova, a two-door Nova. Now, look, there's a 80s Camaro with a tree growing up through what was a hood scoop. I still see stuff that I haven't seen. Look, that was a station wagon. Someone cut the whole top off of it. A Buick. Here's a 73 or 4 Galaxy 500. I guess I didn't know existed here. And it sure doesn't have much in it. 73. You can tell by the door armrest. Now see, this wagon, I'm supposed to be getting the rear seats out of it for my friend Billy, and where in the hell's he at? He's got a place in New Mexico and then maybe in Arizona. But you can't get in there. You got to crawl only through the front door. You can't get any of the doors open or anything. The back door won't open. The glass is still up. Yeah. And when I was over here, it was so hot. Well, that's just it. There's so much coon crap in there that you got to crawl through. You want to wear a mask and coveralls. Yeah. I mean, I don't remember if it's a 71 or 2. I have to look at the front end. Look at the leaves falling. Yep. This is...
You gotta get in this one?
I believe it is a 71. Yeah, you can only get in this front. Don't fall.
I'm good.
I don't think that windshield was broke out when I was here last time. But yeah, this is the only door that will open. And you got to crawl all the way to the back to try to unbolt the seats, but they're there. Can't see it now. But they exist.
Yeah, I can't see it. Dirty.
There's an old Mercury Capri, somewhere around a 73. My Uncle Rob had one of those. I'm trying to remember where that Chrysler's at. It's a 59 Dodge. It's in here somewhere. And we can't be too far from it.
Is it red?
No, it's rust. I don't know what color it was. I remember climbing over these logs to get to things.
Tree going going through, what is that? A Chevy?
That's like a Chevelle.
Big old truck. And they,
I'm surprised those boys let a lot of this stuff sit here like that. I would have thought they would have wanted it. But newer stuff was probably coming in too, and they thought, well, we'll drive that. They still got what's left of the engine in there. A Malibu. Whole dash is gone.
you ever heard of a Chevy Laguna?
Seems like I have.
I had one of those up north.
Did you?
See it swiveled out.
Was it like a Monte Carlo?
Yeah,
Yeah.
two-door.
There's a 55 Chevy.
That is like a big. They need to make a new old style. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Not everybody's worried about aerodynamics.
One guy did contact me about a 55 Ford in here, and he came and got it.
Really?
Yep, he bought it. There's quite a few of these Elites in here. This one's got the gauge package. This one had power windows and locks. These were the locks where you push down on the plunger to make the other door lock, and vice versa. Lock and unlock them, that was your button. I should rip one of these apart and see how those worked. There's an old Cutlass convertible. Trying to get to it without getting my eyes poked out. There's some good bullnose dash bezels I should get, I think. Somebody's always looking for those. Well, guys, we're going to wrap this video up. I'm trying to find a 59 Dodge that I want to show you guys. Here, I'll put a picture of it. I've got from when I was here another time. It's in here somewhere, and I think I'm close to it, but when I come back, I'll try to show it to you. Well, guys, as I was leaving, I asked Bobby about this car, and he told me that he finally sold it. I had the chance to buy it, and I never did, and now I regret it. But we're going to have to wrap this up and get out of here. It's about closing time today. So, allergies are getting to me too. So, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned, because I will definitely be back over here and wrap these videos up now that it's finally cooling off. This is a beautiful day. You can see all the leaves falling. You couldn't ask for a better day to be in the junkyard weather-wise. So, and Tina got what she needed for a wagon. So, again, please remember to hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.